How to add from field validation in InDesign interactive PDFs. Imagine creating a form that not only looks good but also checks the information you enter. That's what from field validation does. It makes sure users input correct data, saving you time and hassle. Today, I will show you how to add validation to your interactive PDFs made with Adobe InDesign. First, start by creating your from fields in InDesign. Open the Buttons and Forms panel by going to Window, then Interactive, and clicking Buttons and Forms. Here, you can add text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and other from elements. Place them where you want on your page and name each field clearly. InDesign itself has limited options for detailed validation. For example, it can't directly check if an email address is valid or if a number is within a certain range. To do more advanced validation, you usually need to add JavaScript after exporting your PDF. But there's a handy plugin called FormMaker that makes this process easier. FormMaker is an add-on that works with InDesign. It allows you to insert validation scripts directly into your from fields without writing code. With it, you can set rules like converting text to uppercase automatically, checking if an email address looks correct, or limiting input to numbers within a specific range. It also helps validate dates or other custom formats. The process is simple. After designing your form in InDesign, select each from field and apply validation rules through the FormMaker interface. Once done, export your PDF as an interactive document. Then, run FormMaker again in Adobe Acrobat Pro to embed the validation scripts into your PDF. This step ensures that when users fill out the form, the validation works as intended. If you prefer not to use plugins, you can export your interactive PDF from InDesign and open it in Adobe Acrobat Pro. In Acrobat, double-click a from field to open its properties dialog box. Under the Format tab, you can restrict input types to numbers, dates, or custom masks. You can also add custom JavaScript for more complex rules. The key steps are creating your from fields in InDesign, applying validation with a tool like FormMaker or in Acrobat, and testing your from thoroughly. Make sure the validation behaves as expected, such as forcing uppercase input, restricting numbers, or checking email formats. This way, your interactive PDFs will be more professional and user-friendly. Using this approach, you can design your forms entirely in Adobe InDesign while adding robust validation features. It makes the process smoother and helps you master Adobe software with ease.